Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am here with 2 subscription boxes and some friend mail. Now, I want to start with the friend mail. This is from Jamie. He's from Ohio, and he has a YouTube channel called Jamie's Disney Kingdom. He unboxes all kinds of Disney things, does swaps with his friends. He even has Funko Pop. He's very nice. I am so excited to see what this card is. So let's take a look. I recently sent him some doggy shirts that didn't fit my little guy. And wouldn't you know it, it didn't fit his little guy either. So he's going to be passing those on. Oh, wow, that is so beautiful. It's all glittery. The family doing some decorating. Very Christmassy. Dear Christine and family, I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Warm moments, happy memories, wishing you these at Christmas and always. Love, your Disney pal, Jamie, and my fur babies, Ariel and Tito, Jamie's Disney Kingdom. Very nice. But yeah, look how pretty that is. I think I'm gonna have to display that back there. So I will be doing that. Okay, next, we are going to start with Junque in Thy Trunk. Now, if you're not familiar with it, Junque in Thy Trunk is a jewelry subscription. It is monthly. I get the 1 pair of earrings and it costs me $11.34 per month all in. And you can say whether you like gold or silver or rose gold. She even has some Swarovski crystal selections. That's a word I always struggle with. So let's see what I got. Oh, there's a card in here this time. Christine, that's me. And our cute little box. But let's start with the card. Oh, it looks like I have another holiday card to hang up. In celebrate... Spit it out, Christine. In celebration of the season. Look how pretty that is. Wishing you joy as you celebrate the holidays. Thank you for your continued patronage throughout the year. Happy holidays, Tara. Very nice. Thank you, Tara. And let's see what you sent me this month. She's got great customer service. She reaches out to you right away if you have a question or something. Ooh, yeah, what are these called? I can't remember what these are called. Look how cute. I specify silver. I love them. Very nice. Thank you, Tara. And happy holidays to you too. Having difficulty with the English language today. So that was Junque in Thy Trunk. Now let's go on to Simple Loose Leaf Tea. Now, if you're not familiar with this one, this is a loose leaf tea company. 2 brothers run it, and they have plans starting at $13.58, which includes 2 teas, which is what I get. Now, they also have 3 tea and 4 tea boxes, which is going to cost you just a smidge more. They have the tea type. You can choose from variety teas, herbal, black, and green teas. So there's quite a variety to choose from. So let's see what I got this month. Looks like that. We have a card. Is that vanilla? Is that cinnamon? No, I don't know what that is. Anyway, so this month we have some practical tea tips. It says on here that teas are highly absorbent, and if you keep your loose leaf tea or even your bagged teas in a non-airtight container and you put them by your spices, they can pick up those flavors. So that is something to consider when you're storing your teas. And there's a couple of other little tips on there too. So this month we have Downey Jasmine. It is caffeinated, about 2 teaspoons of loose leaf tea per cup. And let's see what it says about it. Downey Jasmine Needle is an organic green tea with tiny hairs on the green leaves, often called down, mixed with jasmine blossoms. Another traditional green tea from China, but with much simple jasmine flavor layered on top. You can enjoy this tea served traditionally, or you can do a cold brew to serve around the table. If you want to experiment with Gawain, G-A-W-A-I-N, brewing, Downey Jasmine will make a wonderful tea to brew. So obviously that must be a type of brewing, perhaps, I'm guessing. So we have that one. The next one is called Holiday Black. It's from India. It is caffeinated. It is a South Indian black tea, all natural flavor with cinnamon chips, orange peel pieces. That sounds good. Rich and warm are the first 2 words that come to mind when breathing Holiday Black in. This has warmth of a holiday fire combined with the sense of the family bustling around the house, getting everything cooked and ready for the holiday dinner. While steeping, look for the cinnamon, citrus, butter, and caramel aromas in Holiday Black. And when you take the first sip, all of the aromas blend together to form a smooth, not overpowering holiday treat. You can serve this tea either neat or with a splash of your favorite milk. A heavier dairy might overwhelm this subtle flavor in this tea, so we would recommend against it. Now, I happen to have a cup of tea that I've already been brewing in my little loose leaf tea infuser. I smell the cinnamon. That's good. It's a light flavor, but I do notice that when you leave these in the water, like I like to do, the flavor does get quite strong. I like to top it off with a little bit of water as I'm drinking so that I get more than 1 cup of tea. Yes, that's very good. I wouldn't advise milk in that. Now, normally they include some disposable bags, reusable bags that you can use, but they must have ran out because I didn't get any. But that's okay because I have my little tea infuser that I'm very happy with, and that is what I got in my tea. I love these earrings. They are just too cute. And I got my Christmas cards from Jamie and from Tara, which happy holidays to both of you. And that is all I have for you today. I appreciate you coming by. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.